Mind-blowing facts regarding nature of boys, Part 9, Number 1, Love for science. Many boys have a fascination with science, often exploring subjects like physics, chemistry, and biology. Number 2, interest in history. Boys often enjoy learning about historical events, figures, and periods, which can inspire their play and storytelling. Number 3, sense of justice. Boys frequently display a strong sense of justice, often standing up for what they believe is right. Number 4, storytelling. Many boys enjoy creating and sharing stories, whether through writing, drawing, or imaginative play. Number 5, hand-eye coordination. Boys often excel in activities that require good hand-eye coordination, such as video games, sports, and building projects. Subscribe for more.